So we've gotten a little more comfortable with launching Excel, taking a look at the interface, taking a look at the workbook structure. Now, eventually you're going to start building Excel documents, or coworkers are going to start sending you their Excel documents. Well, how do you open these documents? How do you save these documents? So I want to take a look at both of these topics. The first one that we'll look at is saving. And it's really simple and really quick. Now, you'll recall, when I opened up Excel, I was given a workbook, a blank workbook. It's called Book 1. I can see this up at the top left top of my screen. Now, I've created a document. Maybe I'm going to put some data in here, create a spreadsheet or a nice little list or some charts. And now I want to save this on my computer and maybe later send it to coworkers. Well, I got to save it first. Like I said, super simple. I'm going to go up to my quick access toolbar. Remember, quick, easy access. And I got a little save button there. I'll give that a click. This will take me into the backstage view, right to save as. And I got different locations. Depending on where you want to save it at, on your computer, on a network drive, on my OneDrive personal account through Microsoft, wherever it is. For me, in my demonstration, I'm going to keep it on my OneDrive cloud storage through Microsoft. I'm going to go ahead and browse. Let's see, I'm going to go into a folder called Office Noob. I'm going to go into my videos. Let's see, this is a Microsoft Office video. I'm going to go into Excel 101. And now I've got my location where I'm going to save this document, and I'm going to give it a name. Note the type of document. This is an Excel workbook. Remember the .xlsx document. The Excel workbook, that's your main file that contains all of its worksheets. So I'm going to rename it. I'll just call this monthly budget. And I like to put a number at the end just in case I create my own manual versions here. Version 2, 3, and so on. So I'll go ahead and hit save. Simple. Hit the little disk in the corner. I've saved the document. You got to find the location where you want to save it at, give it a name, but other than that, I can now see that I've created a document and I've saved it, called it monthly budget, and it's a .xlsx document, an Excel workbook. So try this out. Create a new document. File, save, or hit the little disk there at the top. Give it a name, save it. You've now saved your Excel workbook.